Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you a quick Clickbank method that you can use to do email marketing and send emails to people who are looking for what you have to offer. Alrighty, and this is all 100% free, and it can be upgraded too if you wanted to spend a little bit of money and be able to send even more emails to more people at one time. Alrighty, well, if this Clickbank method sounds pretty good to you, then you want to stick around. We're going to get started on it here right now. Alrighty, so the first thing we want to do is come over to here, and like I always say, people, if you're new to my videos, this is your first time in my videos, well, anytime during the video that you feel like it and you're getting some value out of it, well, reach down below your video there, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified if when I upload videos, which I do pretty regularly to this channel for you guys to help you create time freedom and financial freedom more and more into your lives. Okay? That is my goal on this particular channel, is that I load these videos up for you guys all the time. Alrighty? Also, anytime during this video here, when you feel like it, if you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. I'd appreciate it. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm for my channel as well. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started on this. Now, I'm going to be using Clickbank. I mean, guys, you can use Clickbank. You can use Digistore 24. You can use JVZoo. You can use Warrior Plus products. Any affiliate product that you want to use, but you want to use this particular method, you want to target the make money online niche or home business or work from home niche. All right, so now I've already come over here to Clickbank, and if you don't have an account at Clickbank, just go to clickbank.com, click sign up, and it's free to sign up. Get your email validated, come back, get logged in. Click on the marketplace up here, like you see where my mouse is right here, guys. Brings you over to the affiliate marketplace. And if you'll notice, I've already come down here in the categories over here on the left side here, guys. And I clicked on business and investing. I mean, they have lots of different things down through here that you can, particular products that you want, to work with and stuff. It doesn't have to necessarily be what I'm doing, the product I'm going to be using, which you can. But there's plenty of other make money products here as well that you can use as well, guys. So, but the one that I'm going to use, because right now you try to think about what's the hottest thing right now in the make money online niche. My guess is that it would have to be probably the cryptocurrency market, because cryptocurrency is something that's gaining momentum daily in the world. People are catching on to this thing and making big money with cryptocurrency. So that would be a good market to get involved in right now. And so I'm going to pick on this particular product right here. It's called the Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind. Now, this is a pretty high ticket offer here. I mean, there are other ones down through here that I could check out too and use as well. But this one here, I'm going to go ahead and go with it just to show you an example of how to do this today. And you can make $864.50 per sale on this particular product as well, and it does have recurring billing, as you see right here where my mouse is. All right, and they got a pretty good sales page. I mean, it's generic, so to speak, but it's pretty good. It tells a lot about this mastermind that they're signing up for, and it gives some good stats and things like that. It's a pretty good sales page. It doesn't have a lot of graphics to it or whatever, not a lot of color or anything like that. Just pretty much a basic good sales page for this product. We will be using the affiliate page. I clicked on the affiliate page right here, and it brought us over here. We're going to use the email swipes today because we're going to be sending emails. So I clicked on this right here, and it opened this up right here, which shows us all the email swipes for this particular product. And I mean, there's just all kinds of them here that we can use out of here. So, like I said, you can pick any affiliate product in terms of make money online that you want. And I mean, there's all kinds of them. Just pick one that you think you'd like, you think would work for this particular method. All right, so then once we get our product picked out, we'll come back here in a moment and we will get our promotional link. And then, but first of all, how are we going to market this? Well, we're going to come over to this website right here, guys. This website right here called ListJoe. And it's a socially profitable email marketing site. And you can send 1,000 home-based business owners right now for free. Now that's the free package. They do have upgraded packages for a little bit of money. They have for 3,000, and they got it for even higher and higher for a little bit higher price that you can do that. But for free, you can send out 1,000 people your email or your product here, all right? And the way you want to sign up here, it's pretty easy. In 5 minutes, people will visit your website, which means your landing page or your sales page or your website if you want. If you're advertising your particular personal website, you'll even do that. It's easy enough. You just simply sign up, input your email, and send. And then, so then you just give it a try. It's 100% free. And they do have good testimonials down here on this site, guys. I will show you this. People like this site. It says here, I'm so glad that you're back online. Apparently they were offline for a while doing some renovation of this particular website. And it says, I've now missed your services. I find Listio a great way to get the word out about your programs and you are involved with, and the results are phenomenal. When there's lots of testimonials down through here of people that use this site and are happy with the results that they get from this site right here. All right. And then what we do is we'll come back, and now I'm going to get signed up. You just click right here. It'll come up and ask you to sign in or sign up. Now, I've already signed up here, guys, but you want to put in your first name, pick a username, put in a good password, and then put in a good email address, and then check the box right here. It says, I agree to the terms and the privacy policy and that kind of thing like that. And then just click Send My Ad Joe. And what they'll do, they will send you an email confirmation, and you want to get that verified and validated, and then come back over and get logged in right here at the members login area. And then we'll go ahead and sign in. And of course, you're going to see some advertisements and stuff like that. And we want to click this little link down here. No thanks. Take me to the members area, and then continue the login here. Get another little advertisement there. And then once you get logged in, you can see it's there's a lot to see here. There's a lot to do. This is all based on credits, okay? And you can buy more credits. We're going to send mail here, and you can buy more credits, or you earn credits by looking at other people's emails. And each one you look at, you'll get credits for that to build up to send yours. Alrighty? Now, or you can just buy credits. That's all there is to it. And then, but what we want to do is here, you get 1,000 people to start with every 7 days. It's every 7 days you can mail these 1,000 people with, well, whichever offers you want. It can be all kinds of different offers. I'd try all kinds of them. But for example of today, to show you how to do this, we're going to click on Send Mail right here. And it should load up here, and it comes down, talks about this and that's available. You can spend 1,000 credits per mailing. And you click here, and you can, well, it says right now about every 3 days. I thought it was every 7. So every 3 days you can mail them again. That's pretty good. Step 1 down here, choose how many credits you want to use. You can use the maximum, or you can like do 250 today, 250 tomorrow, and spread that thing out over like 5 days, right? Or you can send it straight up to 1,000 right off the bat. So we're going to go ahead and send it straight up to that 1,000 right off the bat. And then you come down here and you simply enter in your details. Now, you might want to read down here their rules. They got some of the rules right here and so on and so forth. You don't want to break any of these rules, and they got a 3 strikes and you're out policy on this site, guys. So you want to pay attention to some of these rules down here, all right? So now what we're going to do is just leave this like it is. We're not sending any previous because they'd be showing up here if we did. So then we want to pick our link. Now, this is where we're going to come back to Clickbank or whatever one you're getting your product from, right? And we want to click on Promote right here. We're going to click that. It says we got to apply for approval on this. Alrighty, well, they don't like that, so that's fine. We'll just pick another product. I didn't look at that earlier, so we're going to have, that's no big deal. We're just going to get another one down here. Yeah, Crypto Automatum right here. Okay, I'm going to make $33.06. Crypto Automatum is a good one as well. If we open up that sales page, you can see it. Yeah, it's got a pretty good sales page here and stuff like that we can use, guys. And then I'm going to see if they've got any, let's see if we got any, yeah, we got email swipes right here. All right, so we can just use some of these right here. Copy that, we'll use this one right here. Copy that. Bring that back over here, and we will paste that subject line in right there. But we do have to come back and get our link. So I'm going to click Promote right here. You want to make sure that your account nickname is in here when you click for the hop link, right? You can use a tracking ID if you want, or you can. This one has, you can pick several different types of landing pages. So we're just going to leave it at the default though. So we'll create this hop link here, and it gives it to us right down here. We're going to copy that, and then we'll close out of that, and then we're going to bring it over here to tiny URL, and we're going to shorten that thing up. You can use bit.ly.com if you want as well. So we'll click on there, and we'll shorten it up, and it throws this out here at us, and then we're going to copy that, bring that back over to here, and we're going to paste it right in there, just like that. All right, and then we're going to paste in our email swipe here. So let's see here about this email swipe here. That's all HTML. We're going to preview the email, and then we're just going to copy this right down through here. Copy that, bring it back, paste it right in there. And we'll come back and get the rest of it here. Paste it in there. Come back and get the rest of it down through here. Alright, and then we'll just take that right there. And that should be the email, and we'll just add that in down here. And leave that like that, and it looks like we're good to go here, guys. Just want to put that in there. And that link, your affiliate link, will be tied up with this email here. And then all we got to do is we can preview it right here. So let's go ahead and preview it and see what happens here. Click here to view the website. So if somebody clicks on that, alrighty guys, well, it's not going to let me visit the website from this link because I'm the one that created it. So people that see it, they will be able to click and come over, and it'll bring them over to the this page. Well, certainly this page right here, and allow them to see this right here. Okay, that's our landing page. So that is how you do that, guys. Pick a product and come over, and you can get it listed up here and get that thing sent out. Well, that's why, because it's sent they sent it to everybody here. So we're gonna, well, that was the preview. We're gonna come back and click send the message right here, guys. It says thank you for sending your email and being an active member of List Joe. You'll be getting tons of visitors to your ad over the next few days. Then you can come back to the members area here and stuff like that. Well, guys, that's how you do that. That was a quick way to mail out and get your Clickbank landing pages and websites to the product out to many people at one time. And you can do this about every 3 days, as we saw. You can come back and do this, maybe even using different products. You don't have to use the same one. You can use different products from Clickbank or Digistore 24 and so on and so forth. Well, see, guys, that's a pretty easy method that you can use today, all for 100% free. And if you like that particular video, guys, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me if you haven't done it already. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down below. And also, you want to have any comments about this, just leave them down below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see high-ticket affiliate marketing, how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer, you want to reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and check out a free video presentation that will show you how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Alrighty, well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.